is a very basic shape. From here po, pwedeng jar, bowl, or different shapes ang magagawa. Right now, mas malakas ang pressure po sa loob ng kamay. Pushing it out, supporting sa kanang kamay po. Dito naman sa middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards. Then outwards po ulit sa pinakataas para makagawa ng flower vase. Pwede pong maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, then we dry it for 1 month. Air dry lang po. Ilagay namin sa oven for 12 hours of firing. Wait for 2 days of cooling down. Ilabas namin, a-apply na siya ng glaze. After glaze application po, kailangang iluto ulit ng 14 to 16 hours of glaze firing para kumintab at lumabas ang kulay niya. Hindi po pintura na ipahid natin, makikita na kagad ang kulay. Kailangan pong iluto. Kaya very safe siya for food containers. They're microwavable and the color doesn't fade.